think it should be sufficient. Compared to it was 27. It's colder, so always like that in a few towns. Air sessions are so this way here. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. I think I have a 12 and 1 2. Look, this is what happened. My mass airflow sensor needle, the red one, right there, it fell. So that's what I'm trying to retrieve from my engine bay. This is gonna be tricky. I may have to go. Oh, woo! So good. Man, that was tricky, but I managed to get it out. Now I'm going to put the 12 and 1 tool roll it from the other side. Seat belt for a sec. And come out. Seems to be all cranberries and ice cream. Cranberries and ice cream. And by the way, don't eat meat, guys. No meat. I'm going to
eat you.
Clean the outside of the mass airflow sensor. Yes, yes, yes. And guys, I believe we're ready to reinstall.
Go in the house.
Reinstall. See, you're not pointing the camera correctly. You're aiming the camera, but the camera's all the way over here. It's not correct, dude. It's not sufficient for a photographer, a videographer. They will not accept it, nor should you give me your mediocre performance. I want your best and nothing but your best. Thank you, sir, and I mean it every time. So now I'm reinstalling the airflow sensor into my air intake boot. I have been successful doing so. Put the fourth clamp on. The boot is on.
Breakfast is ready.
Okay. And You just gotta tighten this up, guys. So going to the shed, and I gotta get the nuts out for a sensor. Watch your step. Yeah, looked online for Nissan Xterra 2004 air filter replacement job. There wasn't any, so I'm doing one now. Pretty much gonna do every video now on my BMWs and wife's Nissans that I don't see. So I'll do the video because I pretty much know how to do the jobs and I read the manuals if need be.
Okay.
Here we are, myself, sincere. Nobody don't need to throw the body. Right. For my Volkswagen guys, I have a brand new shirt here to buy.
Oh.
$2 going on. I'll let it go for $2 on eBay, Facebook, or anywhere. I think I purchased it for like 10. So $2 is a steal, guys.
Okay.